Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. I am here with an unboxing and review for the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. And just got this vacuum, so I'm going to get it unboxed and show you what it can do. You may say, Tracy, didn't you do an unboxing and review for another vacuum cleaner not long ago? And yes, I did. We got another vacuum cleaner because we had a mishap with the first one. My son was using the vacuum cleaner and did not know how to, release the handle so that it can pull back to start vacuuming. And we don't know if he was just being rough with it, or we don't think the vacuum was cheaply made, but it just kind of gave my husband an excuse to get the Bissell because he wanted it. His choice was the Bissell. We had a Bissell before we got that Dirt Devil. And we had that Bissell, that first Bissell, we had it for 14 years, 14 or 15 years. And he wanted to get another Bissell because that one lasted so good. And I'm like, no, I want to try something different. So we got the Dirt Devil. Anyway, we cannot say that it was not a good vacuum. For the length of time that we had it, it did, perform well. And as you saw on the review, it did pick up the dirt and everything. It was just that when my son used it, my husband was like, wonder was that cheaply made, or, our son just being rough with it. So, anywho, because it did take me a while to learn how to pull it down. You didn't just press on it. It was a certain angle you had to, push your foot down on. And, our son just might have not been used to it and was trying to pull it the wrong way. So, that could have been it. Anywho, I am here with the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. So, this is what it looks like. And it has the turbo brush tool. It also has the multi-cyclonic technology. And this one leans all the way back so that you can get under the furniture. And that's what our last Bissell did too. The only thing that I don't care for with this one, even before taking it out of the box, is that the Dirt Devil had a wand that you could take out of. It was like a handle combination wand, and you could push a lever and take it out, and that was your extension wand to vacuum, in crevices, attach your tools to it to vacuum crevices and your steps and, different things like that. So this one performs like the old one. You have to, just take it down and put your tools to the end of the holes, which I'm used to doing, but I did like that, feature on the Dirt Devil. So anyway, let me go ahead and get started. Okay, this is the back of the box. And here are all the features that it has. It has a turbo brush, which I stated before, which I like. Has an extra long stretch hose, has a dusting brush, the Helix dirt separation system, and then it has a large capacity dirt tank, washable filters. Now that I didn't see as a feature on the Dirt Devil, but not to say it wasn't there. It could have been, written in the book or something. But anyway, this one says on the outside, washable filters. It has 5 height adjustments instead of the 4 that the Dirt Devil had. This one has a 25-inch power cord. It has an extension wand, a crevice tool, and 15-inch wide cleaning path, edge-to-edge cleaning. And the Dirt Devil had that. So they seem to operate fairly, similar. But let's see how easy it is to set up as well. This is what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Alright, and this is how it comes out of the box. The bottom, the base was just like this, together like this. This was slanted downward so that it could fit in the box. And here are the attachments. Now, the Dirt Devil, and I'm going to say the differences of what I found with the Dirt Devil and the Bissell since I've gotten 2 vacuums. The Dirt Devil looked and was very easy to set up. This has maybe a couple more steps, but we're going to see. We're going to see how easy it is. Okay, this has some assembly required, and I see a couple of screws I was not anticipating. But anyway, you put that down in there. That's fairly simple. So let me see where the screws have to be screwed into. Okay, so there's 2 screws on either side, and I have to screw this down in here. So I have attached the screws, and the only thing I don't care for so far is that the screws stick up like that, but they're in there tight. And then the same one, I tried taking them out and re-putting them in because it just seems like they should fit down in there further. And they're sticking up like that, so I don't know. I would imagine they're supposed to do that, but it just doesn't look right to me. But it doesn't look bad, but it just seems like they should fit, you know, tightly on top, and you shouldn't be able to see the screw part. So, oh well, let's go on. Okay, it says to insert the lower cord wrap in and then twist it to lock it in place. So let's see. I can get this in here. And twist to lock in place. Okay, that was simple. Okay, and then now it says to go ahead and wrap the cord around to secure it into place. Okay, now it says to insert the end of the hose into the back of the vacuum cleaner and twist into place. So there we go. And then wrapping the hose and snapping it into the hose hook on the back of the vacuum, then stretching it down some and putting it right here, the bottom of the vacuum base. And now we can just put the rest of our attachments on, like so. The little brush goes here. And then the turbo brush goes here. And there you have it. It's all put together. So I'm going to see how it picks up, how it works, and I'll show you what it does. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate for you how well it picks up. This is paper and lint and different things that I gathered from the carpet, and then I just tore a few pieces of paper up. And I'm going to show you how it picks up. Oh, this lever is easier to push down. And so then you just push on the red button. So it picked up everything very well. So I am pleased. And of course, we'll see as time goes on how well it picks up other things. It is in the medium position here as far as height, but there's 5 levels. So I could have had it down lower if I wanted to, or up a little higher, but this is carpet and it should be low. But it picked up well like that, but in the future, I will push it down further, you know, turn it so that it goes down further. And yeah, that's it. So I like it. So now I'll show you how to empty the dirt tank. Now to empty the dirt tank, there is a gray button right here that says empty. I'm just going to go ahead with one hand, pull that away, go over here to the wastebasket, press this, and everything falls out. Snap it back into place. Set it on the vacuum press back into place. It's that simple. So very, very easy. Okay guys, well that was not hard at all. So thus far I really like it. Like I said, it performs well. It's very easy to empty the dirt tank. And the only thing that I found a little different so far is just that the setup was a little bit more time consuming. It still wasn't long. I think it's very easy to do, but it was just very simple for the Dirt Devil. But this is very easy as well. Just took just a little bit more time. Just a couple more steps like the screws. I wasn't too thrilled about it, but it's not hard getting the screws in. But other than that, it was fine. Just a few more steps, and yeah, I like it. So as time goes on, I will keep you abreast of what's going on with this vacuum. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the review of the Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo. And you guys, if this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit that thumbs up, and share the video. There may be some other people in your life that are looking for a vacuum, so share it on your Facebook page or what have you. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again next time right back here on Tracy's Place. Bye.